Hi all and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for my Anfield Road expansion update. It's a bit murky today, it's very overcast. I was got a break in the weather, so I shot up here to get a quick video done. But the good thing about bad weather is it makes for perfect photography. So I've just taken a few photos before I started this, so I'll put them on at the end. So when I finished at the end, hang around and see the photos. Right, so that's why I started this side when I want to start the other side really, because I was just getting a shot of the stand on the angle with the city in the background. Do some editing on it and try and make it look nice and moody. Because I saw these on the cherry picker from the ground here. Just got a message on my phone then off Mr. Donny. He's inside the grounds now doing a tour, so watch out for his tour video later. And a link to my tour video will be at the end of this. It's on 97,000 views. Once I can get it to 100,000 views, be nice that. So yeah. They're still putting that tied in and cladding up, aren't they? Or the underside, whatever it is they're doing there. I can hear a bit of noise, but not a lot of noise going on. I don't think people would be on the roof today, would they? No, I can't see. Oh yeah, there is actually, yeah, there. Just haven't seen the weather for it. One star's got his hands. Let's see where they're putting that. When they eventually do it. Come on lads, what are you doing? There we go. What's it for and where's it going? Just trying to get a bit higher. It's hard flying while zoomed in, that's all. It's just right, you want to zoom out and go above them and look down. I am almost 100 metres in the air, so I'm nowhere near them. We'll see where it's going. You know what, I'm going to get off the ground. What time did the tour start? What time did the tour start?
They start
10?
Yeah.
Oh, sounds, yeah, so, yeah.
Is that yours?
It is, yeah, yeah. Yeah. I've seen one of the girls who does the tours. Yeah, they start at 10, I'm here what time, about 10:15, something like that. There we go. Okay, so I'll leave them to it. They're getting stuff ready for moving into place. But while I'm over here, let's have a look. Someone asked about, let me get a bit higher. The floodlights. I'm not going to get to see them, am I? Because they'll be under the stand, won't they, the floodlights? Yeah, I'm not going to get a look at them. Oh yeah, that that truck I was looking at yesterday, the TARDIS one. It's a poop removal truck. So let's see where these are going. So it's the portaloos. They suck all the crap out the portaloos basically, and yeah, suck it into the wagon and then dispose of it. Now, little story for you on that. When I was in the army, I was in the Royal Irish Regiment, and we were the first into Kosovo in 1999. Well, one of the first into Kosovo with the Paras and the Gurkhas. And as we had nowhere to stay basically, so we found like a government building in a place called Stimley. And until we could get access to the building, which took about 3 or 4 weeks, because we didn't just want to break into places, because, you know, it's against the law, even though there was no law there. But we couldn't anyway, so we had to like set up camp in the car park, if you like. So after about 3 weeks of being there, the British Army delivered like portaloos and stuff, so we had a toilet to go to. Then the chefs came in and they set up, and we were getting like 3 square meals a day off the chefs. But the portaloos were set up right next to where we were eating, and every day the people who were cleaning the portaloos in them type of wagons would come along at lunchtime. So we're getting our lunch, all this crap's getting sucked out the portaloos, and it stunk. So a lot of us lost a lot of weight because we just couldn't eat, because the smell was just that bad. Just put our just couldn't eat our dinner. So yeah, that's my story of them waste sucking places. What are these doing here? Yeah, the smell was unreal. Just it smelled like pure sewage. It's horrible. Is he connecting something there? If anyone knows what he's doing, can you let me know? Got a good close-up of it. What's going on the pitch? Anything? No, them 2 skips are still down there. It's looking clearer, but still stuff to be done. Let's have a look on this corner again, see if there's any change here. Yes, there doesn't seem to be. No, there's nothing going on there. Okay, so yeah, I can't get a view of the floodlights. I'll message Mr. Jones now and see if he can get any close-ups, because he's in the ground now. Just have another look at these. The rain starts to come down now, so I'm going to get my drone down in a second. Wind's picking up a touch, a little blustery. Oh, hold on, they've started cladding this shoulder span. Have they? Yep, they have. Oh, there we go, we've got some cladding started there, which is new. We want new stuff. Man, the cladding doesn't seem to have changed much. It's gone up a little tiny bit. So there's a little tiny like square piece missing there. Oh yeah, another thing people wanted me to look at was the that missing brick around this side. Bear with me, guys. I think it's around here somewhere, isn't it? Yeah, it's still it's still not being put in. The missing brick. Why is it missing? You see in there? You know what, let's try and get some views inside from the outside. I'm gonna be quick, guys. This wind's picking up a bit and the rain it's spitting, but it could come down any second. Yeah, there's not a lot to see inside, is there? Alright. Right, I'll leave there. If there's anything you want to see, let me know. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. I'm on 11,700. I'm creeping up to 12,000 now, so I'm taking these thousands as it comes. So if you want to help me get to the next thousands, subscribe to the channel. It's really appreciated. Comments and likes as well always go down well with the channel and the algorithm. It all helps. So yeah, I'm going for the photos, guys, and I shall leave it there. As always, look after yourselves. I'll speak to you all soon. Bye now.